Do you want long, healthy hair? Long, shiny and attractive. All those who are interested in growing their hair long and thick out but don't quite know how to go on about it, you have come to the right place. So stay tuned to know what all you need to do to get long and healthy hair. Hello my dear friends, welcome to my channel. Let us start making black onion seed oil or Kalonji oil for healthy hair. We will require 1/4 cup of black onion seed or Kalonji. Regular use of Kalonji oil can prevent premature graying of hair. Nutrients from Kalonji oil can keep hair black for long. And lastly, it will reduce hair fall as this oil is rich in nutrients, minerals and vitamins. Let us take this Kalonji seed in a pan and saute it for a minute. Please make sure not to burn it. Our intention is to warm the seeds so we can grind it to fine powder. We shall take this warm onion seed in a mixer grinder and grind it to fine powder. Now we shall transfer this onion seed powder to a tall jar bottle, as we will be filling the bottle with oil for infusion. We will take 1 cup of coconut oil in a bowl. Coconut oil has many benefits for hair. It is used to relieve dandruff, restore luster to dry and damaged hair, tame frizz, and protect hair. Now we shall add 2 teaspoons of castor oil to the bowl and place it in a double boiler to heat the oil. Double boiler is heating method where we will place the ball of oil on top of hot water. Castor oil is a natural conditioner that keeps your hair healthy, shiny, and soft, but we will take in small quantity by mixing other oils because it's too greasy. After heating oil in a double boiler method, we shall add this warm oil to onion seed powder in a tall glass jar. It promotes hair growth, prevents premature graying, moisturizes dry hair, reverses hair damage, improves scalp health, restricts hair fall. If you like my video, please do subscribe to my channel and press like button. Stir the oil and keep in sunlight region for 2 weeks. In between those 2 weeks, please ensure to stir the oil once a day, if possible. After 2 weeks, the oil is completely infused with onion seed. Ask any woman what is the number 1 hair issue she faces, and hair fall will be the most common answer. And to remedy this problem, we try almost anything that we can get our hands on. The most potent ingredient is right in our kitchen, so do try making this oil at home and share me your experience by commenting below. I would love to hear from you. Now we shall strain the oil using muslin cloth. So here your hair fall oil savior is ready. Massage this oil thrice a week. You'll start noticing the difference from a week of application itself. You can also leave this oil overnight or wash your hair with natural soap after 2 hours. Please do subscribe to my channel to learn about more useful content. Thank you for watching. Until next time, stay healthy and stay safe.